Shrimp may be small, but they are a crucial part of both the aquatic food chain and human diets. Whether in the wild or on your plate, these little creatures are truly remarkable in their own right. By understanding their habitat, diet, and behavior, we can better appreciate the fascinating world of shrimp. Shrimp are one of the most widely consumed seafoods in the world. They are a major export product in many countries and contribute to the global economy. In cooking, shrimp are extremely versatile. They can be grilled, boiled, steamed, or fried and are often used in dishes like shrimp cocktails, pasta, and curries. Their delicate flavor makes them a favorite ingredient in many international cuisines, from Asian to Mediterranean. Shrimp are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. They play a critical role in the food chain as they are a food source for many larger animals such as fish, birds, and even humans. Additionally, shrimp help maintain healthy ecosystems by consuming organic debris, which prevents the accumulation of waste in aquatic environments. Shrimp are found in both saltwater and freshwater environments, including oceans, lakes, and rivers. They typically live on the seafloor, where they feed on plant matter, small fish, and algae. Shrimp are known for their unique swimming ability, using their tail to propel themselves backward quickly when in danger. Many shrimp species are also known for their ability to create shrimp colonies or groups for social interaction and protection. Shrimp belong to the order Decapoda, which means 10-footed, referring to the 10 limbs they possess. They have a long, segmented body covered by a hard exoskeleton known as the carapace. Shrimp come in various colors, from pink to brown to even blue, depending on their species and environment. Their transparent shells allow them to blend in with their surroundings, providing protection from predators. Shrimp are small but fascinating creatures that live in various water environments around the world. From oceans to rivers, these crustaceans play an important role in the ecosystem. Known for their delicate texture and sweet flavor, shrimp are a popular choice in many cuisines. But there's more to these creatures than just their culinary value. Let's dive into the amazing world of shrimp and discover their unique features.